no two of the same bipolar or mania share the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different variances. So someone who's going through manic episode and grandiosity, they might have a sort of elated impulsivity. Someone else, promiscuity, might ascend off the roof. Someone else might experience a high level of grandiosity, right, which is the augmentation of one's ambition. So it's hard to put it into perspective in terms of what are the commonalities they share. But what you do find is they share commonality across the board in terms of their emotional attributes, in terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity.
Empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend extensive time researching in terms of is this back?
You know,
like a geometric reference point for it's like the geometric foundation for joy.
Yeah. And what it's meant to do is replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere that has a one-point perspective, like a desert.